A big fear of business owners is processing payroll and all the components of it. What's involved, the paperwork, if it's filed properly, and all of those fun things. I'm Margot Master, your heartfelt CFO from Margot's Bookkeeping, and I want to share with you a few things about processing payroll so that you can be more at ease for your firm. Now, if you use an outsourcing firm like ATP, Paychex, those types of companies, specialty firms in payroll, really all they're doing is processing it and filing the forms for you. Now, you're giving them all the information anyway. And I say it like that because you have to compile it from each of your employees, you have to compile the hours, and you have to give them the proper information. Now, even though it's their responsibility to file it, like that's your agreement with them, if they don't, you as the business owner will still be liable if something goes wrong. Now, the parts to this process is that even if you have a payroll company, you still need to have it as a business owner to make sure that all the paperwork that you have for each and every staff is there. Another thing I want to talk to you about is if you outsource it to someone like ADP or Paychex, they're not helping you in terms of how the company is doing and looking at it as a whole. They're really just processing it like as if it was like a transaction and giving and spitting it back out to you. They're not helping you with cash flow. They're not telling you to make sure that you calculated the salaries correctly. They're really just taking what you give them. If you want to talk further about your payroll, if your system is on track, if you're not sure if you have all the paperwork to make sure that you are compliant, I invite you to have a call with me so that we can review your process and make sure that you're compliant and see what steps that you need to take. I look forward to talking to you, and below this video, please click the link so we can hop on a call.